Let me show you an app that will pay you to do this particular thing on TikTok. Alright, so as you have seen on this video, you clicked on it because you want to learn how to make money online using this app and your TikTok account. Alright, so let's just get right into it. The first thing you need to do is to change your location. Alright, so you can either change your location so that you can be able to get paid high. If you don't want to change your location, you can use your normal country. It is available worldwide. Alright, so the first thing I need to do is to connect my VPN to the United States. Right, I'm using the Tonebbe, right? So the second thing you need to do is to go to your Apple Store, right? Go to your Apple Store right here. This is my Apple Store, okay? So the first thing, just tap on your profile up here. This is my profile, right? Tap on your profile, tap on your email accounts, okay? So if you're using an iPhone, if you're using an Android, you don't need to do this, okay? You don't need to do this. Just turn on your VPN, okay? Just turn on your VPN and you are good to go. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, as you can see, my country right here has been changed to the United States, right? Changed to the United States. So I would love to search for this app. Okay, most of you might have heard of it. Most of you might have not heard of it. Right? So this app pays you to do. Let me search it first. Okay, this is it, right? This is it right here. I've downloaded the app. Okay, as you can see right here, it says start earning money with your TikTok videos. Alright, as you can see, so this is how the app interface looks like. Alright, okay, as you can see, they pay you to use sound on TikTok, and I'll show you how you can sign up and start making money online for yourself. Okay, so as you can see, this is it, right? Okay, so now after downloading the app, just click on open right here. Okay, right here you need to change you need to connect your account. All right, you need to connect your account. You can either connect your TikTok, your Facebook, or your Instagram, or your YouTube account, but we'll connect to your TikTok account right there. Click on open. All right, okay, let's wait for it to load. Now just tap on continue right here. Okay, let's wait. Okay, automatically your TikTok is connected, right? Your TikTok is connected. So right here they say, but first please tell us more about yourself so you can complete your profile. Tap here. I can put in my name, Jamesprofit is not bad. Okay, let me just remove this. Select your date of birth. So make sure you select your date of birth, either your own or because you will need to show your face, right? You need to show your face sometimes in the video. All right, so make sure you choose a good date of birth. So let me just choose any date of birth right here, even though it's not my own date of birth. Let me just choose this like this. This referral code, I'll be leaving it on the screen so you guys can use it whenever you are signing up. All right, so let me just tap on continue right there. Okay, they say your interests. Make sure you choose everything so you will increase your chances of getting more campaigns. Okay, getting paid higher again. All right, so tap on continue right here. Put in your email. Let me put it on my email right there. Okay, so you will tap on notify me with the new campaign and all that, then click on verify email, then welcome to sound.me. Okay, you can follow them on TikTok also, right? Let me just close this for now. Close this. Okay, so as you can see right there, this is it. This is a campaign for me. This is a campaign. As you can see, they will pay me $11, right, to use this sound. Right, they will pay me $11 to use this sound, but you need to follow what they are telling you. All right, you need to follow what they are telling you. Okay, so let me remove this. So let me see. You need to apply, right? You need to apply. So let me tap on it. View instruction. Okay, click on apply. Let's see. Okay, so we have applied for that. If you come right here, you see apply, right? Okay, so they say do not participate unless you have been approved. So when this have been approved, then you can participate. All right, then you can participate. So they pay you for the amount of views you get. All right, they pay you for the amount of views you get. So let me apply for this. Make sure you apply for many others, right? So yeah, you have more chances of getting this thing done. So these are instructions, right? Make sure you read these instructions, read everything right here, then do exactly what they tell you to do. Right, as you can see here, they say key instruction for your video submission: your post must be a video of you. Photo post will be declined. As you can see, video submission rule: minimum length video must be at least 10 seconds long, so just 10 seconds, right? Unless the provided example is shorter. They said correct sound, you must use the correct sound, otherwise your video will be declared. Quality content videos, video should be original, engaging, and complement the sound. No low effort or spamming video will be declined, right? So yeah, so you can click on apply for that. Okay, you can click on apply for this one now, and apply for this also. So I will just apply for everything right here. Okay, so right here, let me tap on this dollar sign right here. Okay, so as you can see, my total earnings have not earned anything because this is a new account. Alright, this website have been existing for like a long time, right? A very long time, more than 5 years. They have been paying people to use sound on this website or on this app, right? So now here they say audience insight not found. You haven't uploaded your audience insight yet. Creators will share their analytics, get more campaign, right? Offers and earn similar more price. Upload your screenshot now to start earning. So let me see. This is under rule, right? This is under rule. Okay, this is not clickable, right? That's not clickable. You can also connect other social media accounts, right? When you tap on this TikTok, you can connect other social media accounts like YouTube, right? I can connect my YouTube account to this also. You understand? So the more you connect your accounts, the more you are likely to get paid, right? The more you are likely to get paid. Okay, so okay, this is the referral code, so you can put it whenever you are signing up. Alright guys, so that's how you can start making money online for yourself just by using sound from sound.me, and you are getting paid using that sound on your TikTok account, so you won't have to be using sound without getting paid anymore. Alright, so in this age there are many things you can use to start making money online that are not looking like it. Alright, so if you find this video helpful, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and join my WhatsApp community or Telegram so you can get more updates about how you can make money online. Okay, see you guys in the next. Peace.